Hello friends, welcome to Enabling Accessibility, a platform for easy learning. We hope you are finding our tutorials useful. For more interesting tutorials, do subscribe to our channel and click on all notifications to receive updates of our new uploads. Okay, let's get into our topic.
Hello friends, this is Word tutorial number 4. In this tutorial, we'll learn to change Word options. Let's see how to disable startup screen and how to disable backstage view when we use save and open. When we open any Microsoft Office product, we see a startup screen. To exit the startup screen, we use escape. First, let's see how to disable the startup screen. First, let's open Microsoft Word.
Windows R. Run dialog. Type the name of a program, folder, document, or internet resource, and Windows will open it for you. Open : edit combo. WinWord 1 of 1. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value. Alt+O. Enter. Desktop. Opening dash Word. List box Word. New list box. Blank document 1 of 6. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Alt followed by F H Y2.
Now the Word is opened and the startup screen is displayed. I'll use escape to focus in a blank document.
Escape.
To go to File tab, use Alt+F. This will open File tab.
Alt F. Backstage view. File list box. Home 2 of 15. To move to an item, press the arrow keys. Alt followed by F H.
Use down arrow or press T to go to Options.
T. List box Word options. Word options. Categories list box. General 1 of 11. To move to an item, press the arrow keys.
Here there are categories on the left. Use up and down arrow to navigate between categories. The first category is General. To explore the options of the focused category, we can use Tab. The option which we are going to change now is in General category. We are going to change the option which says Show the startup screen when this application starts. We need to uncheck this box. We can press Tab to reach the checkbox, or we can use shortcut Alt+H. This will uncheck the option. I'm going to use the shortcut.
Alt H. General startup options. Show the start screen when this application starts. Checkbox not checked. To check, press spacebar. Alt+H.
As soon as we press Alt H, it is unchecked. Press Enter or click on OK to accept the changes. I will use Enter.
Edit.
Next we will see how to disable backstage view when we use Open and Save options. When we press Ctrl S or Ctrl O, the backstage view pops up instead of Save dialog box or Open dialog box. Let's see how to use Save dialog box and Open dialog box by disabling backstage view. Just like before, go to Word options.
Alt F. Backstage view. File list box. Home 2 of 15. To move to a T. List box Word options. Word options. Categories list box. General 1 of 11. To move to an item, press the arrow keys.
Now I'll use down arrow to go to Save category.
Display. Proofing. Save.
Here we are going to change the option which says Don't show the backstage when opening or saving the documents with keyboard shortcuts. We need to check this option. The shortcut to go to this option is Alt+S. I'll use Alt+S now.
Alt S. Save. Save documents. Don't show the backstage when opening or saving files with keyboard shortcuts. Checkbox not checked. To check, press spacebar. Alt+S.
Now it is unchecked. We are going to check this. Use space to check or uncheck. I'll press space to check it.
Space checked. Don't show the backstage when opening or saving files with keyboard shortcuts. Checkbox checked. To clear checkmark, press spacebar. Alt+S.
Now this is checked. Press Enter or click on OK to accept the changes. I will use Enter.
Edit.
Friends, if you have anything to share with us, please share it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more tutorials like this, like our videos and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.